Looking for a quick and easy way to download Bilibili on your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you what you need to know, especially if Bilibili isn't showing up in the Google Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Tap the search bar at the top, type Bilibili, and search for the app. If Bilibili doesn't appear in the search results, don't worry. The app's availability can vary depending on your country or region, and Bilibili has been expanding its international availability. So if the official Bilibili app isn't currently available in your region, you may need to wait until it becomes officially available through the Google Play Store. Once Bilibili becomes available in your region, open the Play Store again and search for Bilibili. Find the official Bilibili app, check the app and developer information to make sure you have the correct one, and then tap Install. Wait a few moments for the download and installation to finish. Once it's installed, tap Open, and you can start using Bilibili on your Android phone. And that's how you can download Bilibili on Android. If you found this helpful, consider giving the video a like and subscribing for more simple how-to guides.